Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Anti-obesity drugs. So there are some centrally acting anti-obesity drugs. So let's look at some central. So the central acting anti-obesity drugs, they have a biological effect of these agents on the appetite regulation is produced by, so it acts on the appetite regulation and it is produced by the augmentation of neurotransmitters. So it is by the augmentation of the neurotransmission of 3 monoamides. So it involves 3 monoamides. So what are these monoamides? They include the norepinephrine, then the serotonin, as well as the dopamine. Then we need to know about phentermine. The phentermine is a sympathomimetic. It is a sympathomimetic, and the phentermine is usually used in combination with a topiramate. So this is used along with a topiramate. Next, we look at the lorcaserin. Lorcaserin is a selective 5-HT2C receptor agonist. It is a selective 5-HT2C receptor agonist. Then when you look at the periphery acting medications, so what does this involve? There is the presence of orlistat. So this orlistat is a synthetic hydrogenated derivative of a naturally occurring lipase inhibitor. It is a synthetic hydrogenated derivative. It is a synthetic hydrogenated derivative. And occurring lipase inhibitor, lipostatin. It is produced by the mold Streptomyces toxotricini. So it is produced by Streptomyces toxotricini. Next, let's look at the anti-obesity drugs which are used in the development. So in terms of development, there is the bupropion. So bupropion is nothing but a dopamine and a norepinephrine reuptake inhibitor. Dopamine as well as norepinephrine reuptake inhibitor. Then what about naltrexone? Naltrexone, this is an opioid receptor antagonist. It is an opioid receptor antagonist. Then what is liraglutide? The liraglutide, it is a glucagon-like peptide 1 receptor agonist. It is a glucagon-like peptide 1 receptor agonist. Next, what we need to know is about the tirzepatide. The tirzepatide, it is a GIP and also a GLP-1 agonist. So it is used for the weight loss treatment. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.